pupils. How are you doing this morning? Hope you are all fine. Alright, we are here today to teach you our subject, quantitative reasoning. And the topic we have here today is introduction of tens and units. Introduction of tens and units. Alright, you've all heard of your tens and units, which you have your addition and your subtraction. Now I want to tell you what tens means. Now for you to have your 10, you know your 10 as your 1, 0, 10, isn't it? Now after your 10, we also have your 20, your 30, your 40, your 50, and so on like that. Under this, your 20, 30, 50, your 10, you have your tens under there. Okay? So any number that starts with your 10 upward is your tens. That's where you put your tens. Where you have your units, your unit starts from 0. You have your 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you get to 9, then you stop. That is your unit. So when your number from 1 to 9, you put it as your unit. Alright, let's see this. You have your tens. Okay, if you have something like this, you have 12. And you were told to put it in tens and units. What you are going to do, we have another subject, another topic that will go like this, tens and units. Then you put your 1 here and your 2 here, which is your 10 is 1. That is, we have it as this 10, but you have your 12 now. That's why we are not going to put 0. Okay? Now let's go back to our topic. Yes, we have our tens and our units, which is 10 is 1, which is the same thing as 1, 0. Then your unit is only 1 here. When you have something like this, what you are going to do is just to bring out the numbers. You bring out your 1 and you bring out the second unit 1. Okay? So when you have it like this, you have it as your 11. This is how you leave it. We are not treating this one today. The tens are unique like this today, but in another class. I just did it as an example. Now, in this case, the second one, we have 2, 2, which is you bring out your 2. Your 2 also means your 20, which is because it's under 10. But we are not going to put our 0 because the tens has already stand as the 0 here. So that's why we are only having our 2. You bring out your 2 and you bring out another 2. Then your 7 and 7, you just bring out your 7 and the other 7 units. Okay? Alright. Now let's see this one. This is how you get what I'm trying to tell you. We are going to count this 0 now as our objects. Now let's count everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have your 12. Then we want to put it into the tens and units. What we do now is, you just write it. Your 1 will be your 10, while your 2 will be your units. You have your S because it is not 1. While our 110, we are not going to put our S because it's only 1. So that's why we have it as 110. Then the 2 units. Okay, let's go to number 2 now. We are going to count our objects again. Now let's count everybody. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You write out your 22. Then we are going to put it into tens and units. Your 22 now, you bring it as your 2 tens. Now tell me, are we going to add our heads or not? Good. We will add our heads. Why? Because it is up to 2. So we write to 2 tens. Then your 2 words. Good. Units. Your 2 units. Very good. Hope you understand all what we've done here. Very good. Okay, we are going into another one. Another tens and units now. We have one that we do it this way. 4. Like this, you have your 43 equals to brackets, tens, plus brackets, and units. We are bringing in our addition into this now. What are you going to do in this one? What you are really going to do here is that you have your 43. 43. Everybody say that. 43. Then your 43 now. You know, you call 40 first before your 3. Now your 40 now means that it's going to stand under tens. It's going to stand under what? Tens. So instead of adding your 0 have already stand as your tens. So what you are going to do, you just bring out your 4. Then the next one will be your 3. You said 43. So you just write your 3 as your units. 3 units. Are you clear with that? Okay, let me give you another example. We have 67. Then the box, tens, plus, box, and your units. Okay, you have your 67. 67. Now tell me, which one are we going to put in our tens? Very good. We are putting our 6 first, which is our tens. And what else again? You put your 7, which is your units. Very good. Okay, let me test you with this. You have your 1. Okay, let me take it this way. You have your 6 and 0. Then you have your brackets, tens, plus brackets, and your units. 6, 0, and 60. Bracket, tens, plus bracket, units. Your 60 now. Your 60 now, what are you going to do? You bring out your 6 as your tens. Then your 0 as your units. We only have our 0. The reason why I didn't put our heads here was because 0 is only a unit. So there is no way you can put your S. I believe you understand now, pupils. Do you understand? Very good. Now your assignments. Number 1, you have your 54. Brackets, tens, plus brackets, units. Number 2, 93. Okay, 91, brackets, tens, plus brackets, units. Number 3, 82, brackets, tens, plus brackets, units. And the last We have 30. Your brackets, tens, plus brackets, units. Brackets and your units. Alright, this is the end of our class today. Make sure you do your assignments, submit it to my WhatsApp page for marking and for correction. Thank you. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.